Okay, now on to the screwdriver blade. If you take a look at the print here, the outside diameter of the blade is 1/4 inch, and that extends from this point to the end point. All right. So this part of the handle, it's basically we're going to use what's called a loft feature to do that part of the handle. So the first part again is pretty easy, so that's not too difficult for you guys to understand. Again, there's a 1/4 inch extruded at 6 inches. All right, just a basic cylinder. Now from there, I extended 2 planes. So you're gonna create 2 reference planes off this face. I'm just gonna suppress the ones that I have there and show you how to put those in there. All right, so you go up to reference geometry, go plane, pick the surface that you're gonna reference from, and you're probably wondering, well, where do I get that length from? So if you look at the print here, I give you 0.75 and 1.32. So you're going to make a plane at 0.75 and a plane at 1.32. All right, so the first one I'm going to put in here 0.75 and then accept that. And then another plane from that face at 1.32 and then accept that one. All right, so what you can see here is you've got these. So we're going to take the geometry this shape, and then a rectangular shape, and then a rectangular shape, and then basically it's going to loft or create a surface between those 3 sections or cross sections. From there, all right. Okay, to create the loft feature, the first thing you need to do is you need to create the 2 other sketches that you'll use to drive that feature. So on plane 3, you're going to start a sketch. It's pretty important that you use a center rectangle. So from the center or the origin of that plane, you will apply the dimension 0.25, all right, by the other dimension I'm giving you here by 0.37. Okay, 37. All right, close that sketch. Then on plane 4, you start another sketch, again a center rectangle. That'll be the end of the blade, and that dimension is 0.09, and then 0.25, or I'm sorry, 0.047. I don't know where I get that from, and 0.25. And 0.25. All right, and close that sketch up. All right, this loft feature is a feature from the home page here. All right, so up top here, it's not a lofted cut, it's a regular loft. So we're right here, loft boss base. So we're going to clear those. So your profiles are going to be, and it's pretty important where you select these. So I'm going to select the circle here, select this profile there, and then select that sketch there. And you accept that. And there is the end of our screwdriver blade. All right. As far as the other features that go on the end of this, I'll suppress the one I have there. That hole there, you can basically put that in there. You know how to put that one in there from before. The hole here, we've got a diameter of 1.563 down to a depth of 1.13. Again, I want you to use Hole Wizard on that. So again, you don't need a sketch. You start a hole wizard, and it's a hole, ANSI inch. All right, hole wizard drill. It's ANSI inch, 5/30 seconds. It's going that deep. So again, you positions, select the surface, select that endpoint, select the origin, accept that. And there that is. Basically, then, that is your part 3 or the blade.